Hello everyone, today I've got a room tour of room 1606 at St. Regis Kuala Lumpur. That is the doorbell. This is the key card. Let's go ahead and get the room tour started. Okay, so that is the floor plan. To the right, as you enter the room, you have the privacy button, the master light switch for the room, and a slot to insert the key card for the room's power. This is the view that you get as you enter the room. There's a very nice chandelier right up there. Here we have the light switch for the bathroom. And here we have the bathroom itself. The bathroom doors have mirrors on them. They are pretty much full length. Hello. And going inside the bathroom, we have the bathtub right there. Bathrobe. Some towel rails right there. And here we actually have a TV. It's a mirror now, but you have the remote right there. Another mirror. More mirrors around the sink. We have a light right there with a towel below. Power outlets for shavers. A box of tissues. Bottle of water, a glass. We have dual sinks in this room. All the amenities are in the middle. And on the right side, we have a bar of soap, another bottle of water, another glass, another towel, and another light. We have a bin down there. And right here, we have the toilet. We have a toilet roll right there, another one right there. And the toilet itself is all automated, so you can open it up. Close it. And you can flush it, stop the cleaning. And all your controls are right here with the dryer as well. Okay, we have a weighing scale down there with towels, plant, bath mat, and here we have the shower area. It is a dual shower setup, so we have the handheld shower right there and the rain shower right above. Here we have the shampoo, conditioner and body wash. And on the back of the bathroom doors are more mirrors. Okay, so right opposite the bathroom is the powder room / walk-in wardrobe, and again, like the bathroom doors, we have mirrors on the wardrobe doors. They do slide as well. And here we have storage, place to put your luggage. I believe those are like shoe shine stuff. We have all the laundry stuff as well. More storage right above. And we have place to hang items on right there. We have drawers right there, together with a cupboard, storage surface, the makeup table and chair, and we have another set of drawers and cupboard right there. Here we have a power outlet together with an internet port, and obviously we have mirrors, lights. Here we have another luggage rack with the in-room slippers below, another bathrobe, more hangers. Not too sure what that is right up there, but we have an extra pillow right there, mirror, light switches, and a power outlet down below. Again, on the back of the wardrobe doors, we have mirrors. Okay, further inside the room, there's a power outlet down there with the climate control panel right there. And here we have the bed. It does look like a very comfortable bed. On the left bedside table, we have drawers, a light, in-room telephone, writing materials, all of the controls for the lights, curtains and whatnot. We have a power outlet right there. We have reading lights and a light behind the headboard. And going back here, you can control the shears. We can also control the curtains. And same goes for that side. Okay. On the right bedside table, we have more drawers. Can also control the lights and curtains from this side. We have a clock, wireless charging with a wireless charging pad above, and all of your clock controls. And we actually have a couple of USB-C ports for charging below. Another power outlet right there, and another light. As for the view out of this window, we have a car park opposite the hotel. We can see trees in all of the surrounding areas behind the hotel. There's a mosque right there. You can also see KL Tower, the road in front of the hotel. Okay. So here we have a side table with a sofa, a coffee table in the middle, with a magazine. That's my welcome snack and a welcome sort of drink. It's an iced cappuccino. And here we have the TV guide with a TV remote. Another table right there. And here we have the pantry area. We have snacks, storage, sugar and creamer, tea and coffee. We have storage below, glasses, a bottle of wine. Here we have more storage. I think this is for serving. Here we have cutlery. And here we have the fridge. It is not empty, but there's still some space to store your own items in there. Okay, so there we have power outlets. think that's a light switch, coffee machine, kettle, bottles of water, a note from the hotel, and we have coffee cups right above with a light and a mirror right there. Okay, so here we have the TV area with a flat screen Panasonic TV above, and below we have drawers and cupboards. Here we have the desk area with a chair. There are bins down there. Another magazine and more information about the hotel. Another set of writing materials, a light, in-room telephone, another chair. And the two bins, one is actually for regular waste and one is for recyclable waste. Here we have a cupboard, more hotel information leaflets, and here we have all your stationery. We also have power outlets, ports to connect to the TV, and we have books right above, and storage. There's actually another window behind the TV, and we still see the road in front of the hotel, but we also see this block, which I believe it's an apartment block. Alright, so that's it for the room tour of room 1606 at St. Regis Kuala Lumpur. Thanks for watching and goodbye.